Welcome to BMW Manufacturing Factory.
Massive galvanized steel coils arrive at the BMW M4 manufacturing facility. These raw materials will become the high-performance sports coupe body. The steel is precisely straightened before body panel forming begins. Computer-controlled rollers remove every microscopic bend. Giant stamping presses shape the BMW M4 hood with immense force. Each panel is formed with millimeter-perfect precision. Fiber lasers trim every hood panel to exact factory dimensions. The process ensures clean, aerodynamic body lines. Multiple press stages create the BMW M4's aggressive side profile. Every contour is engineered for strength and aerodynamics. Advanced robotic welders build the BMW M4 structural frame. Thousands of precision weld points create a rigid chassis. The roof structure is carefully aligned using laser-guided positioning. This step increases overall body rigidity. Automated seam welding strengthens the BMW M4 door structure. Precision robots maintain exact alignment across every body shell. Every BMW M4 body shell undergoes digital laser inspection. Microscopic deviations are detected before paint preparation. The BMW M4 body is submerged in anti-corrosion treatment. This protective coating increases long-term durability. Automated sanding creates a perfectly smooth paint surface. Every panel is checked for microscopic imperfections. High-temperature curing permanently bonds the corrosion coating. The shell is now ready for paint preparation. Robotic sprayers apply the BMW M4 primer coating evenly. This layer improves paint adhesion and surface protection. The primer coating is heat-cured for maximum durability. This process creates the perfect base for color application.
The BMW M4 receives its signature metallic performance finish. Robotic paint systems ensure flawless color consistency.
A second precision coat enhances depth and gloss. Every panel is inspected under calibrated lighting. The clear coat protects the BMW M4 paint from weather and scratches. It also creates the deep showroom quality shine. High-temperature curing permanently bonds the protective clear coat. The finish now achieves its final durability and gloss. Robotic polishing enhances the BMW M4's mirror-like finish. Every surface is refined to showroom perfection. The BMW M4 engine begins as molten aluminum alloy. Precision casting creates the foundation of the high-performance engine.
Freshly cast engine blocks are cooled under controlled conditions. This stabilizes the aluminum before precision machining.
CNC machining creates perfectly aligned engine cylinders. Micron-level precision is critical for high-performance output.
The forged steel crankshaft forms the heart of the BMW M4 engine. Each bearing is tightened to exact engineering specifications. Forged pistons are installed for maximum high-speed durability. Precision assembly ensures smooth engine performance. The cylinder head seals the BMW M4 combustion chambers. Precision torque sequencing prevents performance loss. The BMW M4 twin-turbo system boosts engine power dramatically. Each turbocharger is carefully balanced for high-speed operation. Transmission gears are machined for ultra-smooth power delivery. Every tooth profile is measured with micron accuracy. The BMW M4 transmission is assembled using precision robotic systems. Lubricated gear assemblies reduce friction during high-speed driving. The transmission housing is sealed under controlled torque settings. Internal lubrication channels are filled before testing begins. Each BMW M4 transmission is dyno tested before installation. The system checks shift smoothness and internal balance. The transmission is precisely aligned with the twin-turbo engine. This creates the complete BMW M4 powertrain assembly. Forged aluminum suspension parts provide lightweight strength. The BMW M4 chassis is engineered for precision handling. CNC finishing ensures perfect suspension geometry. Every component is balanced for high-speed stability. The adaptive suspension system is assembled for performance driving. Electronic dampers adjust instantly to road conditions. High-performance carbon ceramic brakes are prepared for installation. These systems provide extreme stopping power at high speeds. The BMW M4 body meets its rolling chassis for the first time. Suspension modules are precisely aligned beneath the vehicle. The high-performance twin-turbo powertrain is installed into the chassis. Precision mounting reduces vibration and improves stability. The lightweight carbon fiber driveshaft transfers power efficiently. It also reduces rotational mass for faster acceleration. The quad exhaust system enhances BMW M4 engine performance and sound. Precision alignment prevents vibration during high-speed driving. The fuel and cooling systems prepare the engine for operation. These components regulate performance under extreme conditions. The BMW M4 wiring harness connects thousands of electronic functions. Every connector is carefully organized and secured. The digital cockpit brings advanced technology into the BMW M4 interior. The dashboard is installed as a complete modular assembly. The cockpit systems are connected and electronically verified. Every display and control module undergoes instant testing. The driver-focused controls define the BMW M4 cockpit experience. Performance steering and pedals are precisely aligned. BMW M Performance seats combine lightweight construction with comfort. Electronic adjustments are connected beneath each seat assembly. Carbon fiber trim reinforces the BMW M4's racing-inspired interior. The lightweight material adds both strength and style. Premium audio and ambient lighting systems are integrated into the cabin. The interior combines luxury with motorsport design. The windshield is robotically aligned for structural precision. Industrial adhesive permanently bonds the glass to the body. Precision-installed glass improves cabin insulation and aerodynamics. Every seal is checked for perfect fitment. Advanced laser headlights provide high-performance visibility. Electronic calibration begins immediately after installation. The rear lighting system combines visibility with signature BMW styling. Integrated sensors support advanced driver assistance systems. The aerodynamic bumper improves airflow and engine cooling. It also defines the aggressive BMW M4 front design. The rear diffuser improves aerodynamic stability at high speeds. It also complements the quad exhaust performance system. Laser-guided alignment ensures perfectly even body panel gaps. Precision fitment improves aerodynamics and visual quality. Every BMW M4 door is adjusted for smooth operation. Automated gauges verify exact fit and sealing pressure.
Forged alloy wheels reduce weight while increasing strength. Performance tires maximize grip and handling capability.
The BMW M4 touches the ground on its own suspension for the first time. The vehicle now begins functional system testing.
Critical fluids are added before the engine startup process. Every system is digitally monitored for exact fill levels.
The BMW M4 software systems are programmed and activated. Electronic modules synchronize with the vehicle control network.
The BMW M4 engine comes to life for the very first time. Factory diagnostics instantly monitor every performance system.
The completed BMW M4 enters dynamic performance testing. Computerized dyno systems simulate real driving conditions. The twin-turbo engine is tested under simulated road stress. Engineers verify horsepower, torque, and transmission response.
The braking systems are tested for emergency stopping performance. Electronic stability controls are calibrated in real time.
The adaptive suspension is tested across simulated road conditions. Steering systems are calibrated for maximum precision. Laser alignment ensures precise high-speed handling stability. Every wheel angle is adjusted to factory performance specifications. Laser headlights are calibrated for precise nighttime visibility. Automated systems ensure perfect beam alignment.
The BMW M4 undergoes a simulated at extreme rainstorm test. Engineers verify complete weather sealing integrity.
The interior is inspected for even the smallest water leak. Seal integrity is critical for long-term quality. The paint finish is inspected under specialized lighting conditions. Even microscopic surface defects are identified and corrected. Final polishing removes microscopic paint imperfections. The BMW M4 achieves a flawless showroom finish.
The interior electronics are tested for flawless operation. Every digital system responds instantly to driver input. The premium audio system is calibrated for balanced sound quality. Engineers test every speaker and amplifier channel.
Radar and camera systems enable advanced driver assistance technology. Calibration ensures accurate object detection and lane tracking. The rolling road simulator checks ride comfort and suspension response. Engineers listen for unwanted vibrations or rattles. The engine undergoes thermal inspection during live operation. Heat patterns reveal system efficiency and cooling performance. The underbody receives a final mechanical inspection. Every fastener and fluid line is carefully verified. The BMW M4 receives a complete exterior cleaning process. The body is prepared for final showroom detailing.
Hand detailing enhances the BMW M4's final presentation. A protective coating preserves the paint's deep gloss.
Protective coverings shield the BMW M4 during transportation. Every premium surface is secured against damage. Every BMW M4 receives a unique production identity. Factory certifications confirm the vehicle meets all standards. The BMW M4 undergoes its final factory quality inspection. Every detail is reviewed before release approval. Final documentation records the completed BMW M4 condition. Every vehicle is digitally archived before shipping. Finished BMW M4 vehicles wait inside the export distribution center. Each car is assigned for global delivery destinations.
The completed BMW M4 is prepared for international shipment. Loading procedures ensure safe transportation.
The BMW M4 is locked securely into the transport carrier. Protective measures prevent movement during shipping. Global logistics systems coordinate BMW M4 deliveries worldwide. Every shipment is digitally tracked from factory to destination. The completed BMW M4 vehicles begin their journey to customers worldwide. Months of engineering and manufacturing now leave the factory gates.
The BMW M4 combines precision engineering with motorsport performance. Every detail reflects advanced German automotive manufacturing.
From raw steel to a high-performance sports machine, the process is complete. The BMW M4 represents the pinnacle of precision manufacturing. The BMW M4 completes its final quality approval process. From raw steel